My ultimate plank challenge. From 232 to 302. Hey everyone! If you're stuck at 2 minutes and 32 seconds in your plank and aiming to reach that 3-minute and 2-second mark, you are in the right place. Today, I'll share simple yet effective tips to push past your limit and build core endurance. Let's get started. Step 1. Strengthen your core with supplemental exercises. Your core muscles, especially your abs, obliques, and lower back, need to be stronger to hold a plank longer. Try adding these exercises to your routine. 1. Hollow body hold. Try to hold for 20 to 30 seconds. 2. Dead bug. Try to do 12 reps per side. 3. Leg raises. Try to do 10 to 15 reps. 4. Russian twists. Try to do 15 reps per side. Doing these exercises 3 to 4 times a week will improve your plank endurance significantly. Step 2. Use the progressive overload technique. Like weightlifting, your body needs to gradually adapt to longer planks. Here's how. 1. Increase your plank time by just 5 to 10 seconds per session. 2. Break it into sets. Try holding for 130, rest, then another 130. 3. Use weighted planks at a light plate on your back for extra resistance. This method tricks your muscles into lasting longer. Step 3. Improve breathing and mental toughness. Most people fail planks because of poor breathing and mindset. Here's what you can do. Breathe deeply, inhale through your nose, exhale slowly through your mouth, use distraction techniques, listen to music, count backward, or watch a video, break it down mentally instead of thinking 30 seconds left, tell yourself, just 5 more deep breaths. Step 4. Perfect your form for efficiency. Good plank form versus bad plank form. If your form is off, you waste energy. Here are key pointers. 1. Keep your elbows under your shoulders. 2. Engage your core, don't let your hips sag or rise. 3. Squeeze your glutes and quads for full body stability. Better form equal less strain and longer plank time. Alright, it's time for a challenge. Set your timer and try pushing yourself using these techniques. Let me know in the comments if you hit 302. That's it for today. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep pushing your limits. See you in the next workout.